Wow. Okay, guys, this is a very old Torah book. Very, very old Torah book. I can't even start to guess how old it is. There is no date on it. I would say at least 400 or 500 years old, at least, maybe even more. Hard to say. Wow, beautiful. Absolutely. Okay, guys, so as promised, we are now in the Jewish synagogue in the Mela quarter, the Jewish quarter. Yeah, so blue, again, a lot of blue we have here. And writings from the Torah everywhere. Tov li Torat picha me'alfei zahav v'kesef. I prefer the Torah from your mouth than 1,000 gold and silver.
Okay.
יראה אדוני טהורה עומדת לה, יראת אדוני טהורה עומדת לעד. The fear of God forever is pure. Or something like that more. And a lot more writings all around. Now, I didn't understand what the guard said. He said that there is a rabbi here, there isn't a rabbi here. I don't know. It doesn't look like there's a rabbi here. Let's go over there. So this is the main synagogue, I think. Yeah, over here. Yeah, it is a functioning synagogue. Yeah, you see, it is a functioning synagogue because you have here the hours. This is when the Sabbath starts, and this is when the Sabbath ends. So today at 6:53 the Sabbath starts, and tomorrow at 7:49 the Sabbath finishes. Yeah, and here you have the times for the prayers. These are the times for the prayers. Okay, don't. Okay, so I asked my wife to stay out because I don't know. This is where the men are supposed to be, and up there, is where the women are supposed to be. So again, not very big, but very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I've been to quite a few synagogues in my days, and it's very modest, very small, very modest, but very nice. Okay, so let's give you a panoramic look. Okay, and here you have for the memory of people who died. This is candles for the memory of people who died. But I don't see that they have a Torah here. Yeah, they have it over there. This is the, yeah, okay. Okay, yeah. So this is where they have the Torah book, over here. Okay, guys, so this is the main synagogue. We'll come out.
Got like historic pictures. Oh. That's really nice. The grandpa with the grandson.
Yes. So this is where, what year is this? 1930.
1930s to 1920s, 40s.
Yes, this is when the community was very, very strong and alive here. This was, I guess, like at the peak of the community. This is a study room where you can study the holy scriptures, the religious scriptures, Kolel in Hebrew.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah.
This certificate confirming donations by Saftarim.
L'Shana Tova Tachtemu. This is for the New Year.
Okay.
This is for the New Year.
This is from 1936.
1936.
And this one is from the 30s, 1930. And these are rabbis.
Yeah, yeah. But here, this is a beautiful picture because I don't know, I guess they're both Jews, but here in Morocco it's a very special history because the Jews and the Muslims and the Christians, but mostly the Jews and the Muslims, they lived together and they had a lot of philosophical debates.
Yeah.
And this was part of the golden age of Islam and the golden age of, I guess, here in Morocco, all the religions lived in peace together. It was
Because
amazing.
they were scholars.
Yes, they were scholars. But again, this was before the time of science. We have to remember that.
Yeah.
So God had a strong influence on the people, almost everybody. Today we have science to explain many things for us, so many of us moved on, you can say. Oh, Judea Atlas. This is from the Atlas Mountain, the Reef Jews in Shefchuan. So this is the Reef Jews.
Oh, nice. Yeah, the pictures are amazing. How large.
Wow. Okay, guys, this is a very old Torah book. Very, very old Torah book. I can't even start to guess how old it is. There is no date on it. I would say at least 400 or 500 years old, at least, maybe even more. Hard to say. Wow, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Also here. Okay. And this is part of my heritage, so I am a bit excited seeing this, even though I am not religious at all. But culture and religion are a bit different. Culture is important. Okay, so this is the synagogue. Musica, shira v'piyut. This is music, poetry, and so you have a piano here. Shir Yedidut. This is a friendship song. Friendship song. Amazing. So this is the music room. This is the music room. Yeah, of course. The mezuzah. Of course. This is the movie room. I guess over here they show a movie. We'll skip the movie. And restroom. The restroom is not part of the tour.
Interesting.
Just a bit.
Excellent. Judaism in Morocco.
Yeah, okay.
Let's have a bit of the history.
يرجع تاريخ الاستيطان إلى نزوح اليهود من أرض مقدسة.
So over here they show history movie. Okay guys, so let me show you one panoramic view from the court. This is the court over here, where I guess the whole community will gather. The children probably ran around here while everybody was praying. Okay guys, so this is the Jewish synagogue in Marrakesh, not too far away from the Jewish cemetery. I'm not sure if there's another one because the guard in the Jewish cemetery said there's going to be a wedding here in the next few days of a couple from France that are coming. It's going to be something big and amazing. But this synagogue seems to be a bit small for a big French wedding. But maybe there's another one, but it's hard to know. Anyway, he said that tomorrow there's going to be, the community is going to come here for prayer, so maybe we'll come back here tomorrow to see if it's a functioning synagogue or just a piece of history. Okay guys, so this is the Jewish synagogue. And now after this we're going to go out to the streets and we'll try and show you the alleyways of the Jewish quarter called Mela. And again, those 10 minutes, almost 10 minutes, those of you who stayed with us for the whole 10 minutes, thank you very much. Again, we really do appreciate that you take the time to watch our videos. And we do hope that we improve all the time. But if you have any complaints, any
Please let us know
comments,
in the comments.
yeah, let us know in the comments. And if you like what you see, like, and please subscribe. It will help us a lot. Okay, guys, so we'll see you out in the
next
Jewish
time.
quarter.
Yeah.
Nos vemos y nos vamos.
Yes.
Adios.
Adios.